Hi guys, it's me, Teacher Gon. Let's talk about multiplication and division of fractions. Let's start with this item. 3 over 4 times 2 over 7. To multiply fractions, what we need to do is we will multiply the numerators and the denominators. And after that, we will simplify the product of these two fractions. Let's get started. 3 times 2, that is 6, over 4 times 7, that would be 28. And simplify your answer, we can divide the numerator and the denominator by 2. And this is also by 2. And as you can see, 6 divided by 2 is 3 over 28 divided by 2, that would be 14. And now, the simplified product of 3 over 4 and 2 over 7 is simply 3 over 14. Next, we have 5 over 7 times 3 over 5. Multiply the numerators. 5 times 3, which is equal to 15, over 7 times 5, that is 35. And as you can see, the greatest common factor is 5. We can divide it by 5 and also this by 5. And simplifying this is equal to 3 over 35 divided by 5, that is equal to 7. And this is the product of the two fractions, 3 over 7. Now let's move on with dividing fractions. What we have here is 3 over 8. Now let's move on with dividing fractions. We have here 3 over 2 times... Now let's move on with dividing fractions. We have 3 over 2 divided by 4 over 3. The shortcut is that we can multiply this numerator going here to the denominator. 3 times 3, that is equal to 9, over multiply this denominator going to this fraction, 2 times 4, that would be 8. So the quotient between these two fractions is equal to 9 over 8. Now it's short term to divide 1 over 5 and 2/3. So again guys, follow for more.